how to download and install the Xbox Game Bar on a Windows PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Xbox Game Bar on your computer, and I'll show you how to even install it if you can't find it in the Microsoft Store. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way I would recommend to install the Xbox Game Bar is to select the little Windows Start button in the bottom taskbar, then go to the Microsoft Store and just go to the top and search Game Bar. If you see Game Bar come up, you're in luck, select it, go ahead and install it there. Now, if you don't see it in the Microsoft Store, check the link in the description because I have a direct link to it in the Microsoft Store and you'll be able to find it no matter what. So from there, just select install. It's going to ask you, do you want to allow this site to open up the Microsoft Store? The website is Microsoft.com, so go ahead and select open link. It'll open it up in the Microsoft Store on your computer, select install. It'll let you know that it has been installed. And now when I select the Windows button and G, it opens up the Xbox Gaming Bar. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.